Today we are back at Ruisseau by Windsong Properties here in Woodstock, and I am here with Diane. How are you, Diane?
I'm great. How are you, Greer?
I'm great. It is so wonderful to see you. And today is an exciting day because I love when you get to decorate new model homes, and you have just officially opened this model here at Ruisseau for your single family home. So what can you tell us?
So the Camden is a single family home. We have a total of 19 of them available in this community. You have a wonderful welcoming front porch. It opens into a big, beautiful, great room, kitchen, dining room area that then flows onto a side covered porch. So you can go out there and entertain, grill, or just enjoy your private courtyard. From there, we have an owner's suite on the main level. On the second floor, you'll find a wonderfully large loft area that's great for entertaining family or friends. We have 2 to 3 bedrooms, depending on how we build it for you. So lots of opportunity for friends and family to enjoy your new home at Ruisseau.
Here at Ruisseau, you also have townhomes. So what can you tell us about those?
Yes, Ruisseau has a lot of opportunities for all ages. So everything from young professionals to empty nesters who want to live adjacent to downtown Woodstock. We have townhomes, 26 townhomes in total, and we do have some that are available now or in October, or we can build for you.
Well, Diane, tell us a little bit about the lifestyle and what it would look like to live here.
Oh, I can tell you, last month I left work, I was driving to downtown Woodstock, and it was an evening of one of the summer concert series, and all of these people were walking from their homes to the concert, carrying food and drinks and laughing and having a great time. And I realized that is what we offer you here at Ruisseau. We offer you an opportunity to live right here by downtown Woodstock, less than a mile, and it's walkable.
And if you are looking for a single family home or town home in the Woodstock area, you'll definitely want to check out Ruisseau by Windsong Properties.